Hi, this is Dennis from UpHut, monetization ecosystem for mobile apps. Today, I'm excited to announce Flows Essentials, a new course dedicated to Flows by UpHut, the best way to design, build, and launch web-to-web campaigns in days, not weeks, with no coding. If you are a user acquisition manager, app marketer, or growth specialist, this course will help you to unlock the full potential of web-to-web campaigns and supercharge your app growth like never before. We assume you are familiar with the web-to-web approach and have some design skills, or someone on your team who can do the design work. That is because you'll be using a visual builder who create and customize your flows. By the end of this course, you will know how to design and launch high-converting web-to-web campaigns. You will learn how to create and configure flows in UpHut, design stunning quizzes using Flows Builder Kit, build custom screen templates and UI controls, import your paywall designs straight from Figma, set up integrations with tools like Amplitude and Mixpanel, configure Facebook Pixel, and so much more. So hit subscribe and stay tuned, and see you in Flows Essentials.